Growing your website's international reach involves more than just translating content. It requires a strategic approach to ranking in other languages. So in this video, we'll tackle best practices to help you achieve international SEO success. So always start by researching keywords in your target languages using tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or even ChatGPT. While your existing keywords provide a foundation, direct translation isn't always effective. So ensure that keywords are culturally relevant and reflect local search behavior. Next, optimize your on-page SEO by updating meta tags, headers, and image alt text with local keywords. Use language-specific URLs and hreflang tags to inform search engines about the language and regional targeting of your pages. But be aware, skipping this step might result in duplicate content penalties. Building backlinks from local websites significantly boosts your rankings in other languages, so you can establish credibility and make your content more authentic by securing backlinks from local websites through guest posting and by collaborating with influencers. So to ensure multilingual SEO success, don't just rely on your existing content. Be sure to create culturally relevant content like blog posts and videos that resonate with your target audience. You can even get help from native speakers to ensure your content is not only accurate, but also engaging and relatable. In order to optimize your international SEO efforts, utilize website translation solutions like Weaklot that not only instantly translate the content of your site, but also allow you to work on your multilingual content and collaborate with translators, content writers, or SEO experts. Plus, you can automatically manage technical SEO practices, such as metadata translation and hreflang tag implementation using Weaklot. And be sure to remember that Google isn't the only search engine in the world. Optimize your site for local search engines popular in your market, such as Baidu in China or Yandex in Russia. Understand the algorithms and ranking factors specific to these search engines to improve your visibility. And don't forget that international SEO takes work, but it's definitely worth your efforts. So make sure to subscribe for more tips and check out Weaklot for free from the description below if you're ready to translate your site and take your international SEO to the next level.